Hello everyone, I'm doing a shelf makeover video today. The shelf was mainly used for storage purpose since I started dumping everything on it, so it became really messy. Let's begin with dusting and mopping the shelf once everything is removed from the shelf. I would say this is a zero budget makeover as I'm using whatever is available in my house and making some boxes out of waste materials for storage. Here I am dusting the floor and walls as well. My biggest challenge was removing these pencil and pen marks from the wall. I used a degreaser to remove these marks. Just spray some degreaser on the marks and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wipe it off. Almost all the marks are clear now. Let's clean the shelf also with the degreaser. Cleaning is done. Let's decorate the topmost rack with some artificial plants and a showpiece. This is the second rack from the top. I will use this basket and box for storage. I have made one small box from the waste cardboard box to keep all perfume bottles. The bottom rack has to be heavy, so I'm going to keep one storage box and printer so that the shelf will stay stiff. Second bottom rack. I will use this storage box to store books and keep prayer mats next to it. This is the center rack of the shelf, so I'm trying to give it an attractive look. An aquarium without fish, some plants, and all my DIY projects. You can visit my channel to watch these DIY videos. I hope you like my makeover video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more zero budget makeovers. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye and Ramadan Kareem to all.